Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. I'm here to talk to you about our Tramex moisture meter kit that we've put together from Tramex. Fantastic. Now Tramex is made in Ireland, so awesome European product. So a little bit about what's in the Tramex kit that we have. So the Tramex kit, we have the MRH3. Now the MRH3 is designed for timber and walls and so forth. So you can use it on masonry, and you can use it on gyprock and laminate, and also you can use it on hardwood timber. So it has two pads at the back, and the two pads at the back are used to scan. So it's either used to scan walls and hardwood floors. So with the floors, it's got 50 specific gravity settings for timber. So if you put this on a soft timber or a hard timber, you're going to get a completely different reading. So you need to have a look at the presets. They are on our website. So you can have a look at the presets and go, hey, this is a pine, I need to set it on 30. This is a hardwood floor, I need to set it on 75. So then you can actually get a proper reading and then scan around the floor to find out where your readings are. Then I would suggest following it up with a hammer probe. So we have nice hammer probe, really nice hammer probe from Tramex, okay, with insulated pins. So what I'd like to do is check out where the moisture is with the Tramex and then follow it up with a hammer probe. So that's the MRH3. Also, what it also has is an attachment here to put a hygrometer. So the hygrometer is basically, this is our lead, it goes to the meter right here, and then inside here you have a little hygrometer. So then with the hygrometer, actually you have 3 in this pack. With the hygrometer we can check our temperature and our relative humidity and our grams per kilo and our grains per pound. So we can actually check what's in the air and what's happening, what's coming out of our dehumidifier and so forth. Now out of that, then you can also have a little handheld pin probe with non-insulated pins. So these are the little stainless non-insulated pins that you can connect to your Tramex MRH3. So with that, we also have the CMX EX2. So this is a concrete encounter. It has on the back spring-loaded for concrete. So you take a reading like this, and then you turn it 90 degrees and take another reading like this, and you take an average of the two. And you want to sort of get that under about 4 on most slabs. And that'll go down about 25 mil. So it also had an added advantage to actually hook in a pin probe and a hammer probe. So it is a bit of a two-in-one meter. And then with that, you've also got the capacity of checking out your slabs. So if a laminate floor gets pulled up or a hardwood floor gets pulled up, we can now put sleeves inside the concrete, okay? So we go 40% in depth in the slab, sleeve stays in there for 24 hours, and then what we do is we can drop one of these little hygrometers into the actual sleeve. Now by dropping the hygrometer into the sleeve, we let it climatize for 20 to 30 minutes, and then obviously we put it in and we put our little cap on, just like so, and we let it acclimatise for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we plug in our lead and get a relative humidity reading. We want to try to get that under 75% of ambient. And then you think, okay, well how do I get this thing out? I've got this little, it's in the concrete slab, how do I get it out? I've got a little tool, it goes down, we slot it, we twist, and then pulls out, just like so. So now we can pull a little hygrometer probe out of the concrete. So, fantastic little setup there for checking the moisture inside concrete slabs. So we've got a surface check, and then we've got an in-depth check. So it has a little foil bag that these little hygrometers go into, so they get a little bit more protected. Okay. Also with the kit, you get some tools. You get some tools to tighten up your hammer probe and your pin probe. You get, when you drill your hole into the concrete, you get a brush, 19 millimetre hole, you get to clean out your hole, a little bit of a vacuum, clean out your hole, okay? You've also got a little measurer that you can measure the depth of boards in through the cracks, the depths of the boards, or you can also do the depths inside the concrete as well. Great little measurer. And you've got little snippers here to snip your actual sleeves to make them the size. So they're only going in 40% depth of the slab. So great little tools there. Also, you get a couple of spare pins, and you get a couple of spare pins for your hammer probe and your pin probe. And from there you get these long pins that you can start to check, you know, through kitchen cupboards into the timber floor below. So these long pins come in very handy. So last thing you get is you get a really nice dual laser temperature gun. So this dual laser temperature gun, as you can see, dual laser, fantastic to check the surface temperature of your material. By raising your surface temperature of your materials, you can certainly get a better evaporation potential to dry things faster. So check out our website, restoresolutions.com.au. We have all types of moisture meters to suit your needs. Check out our Tramex Restorers Kit, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.